Hey everyone, how's it going? I get two frequent questions from clients when they pick up their vehicle, and one is, how do I remove things like bird poop or bug guts from the vehicle between washes? So I'm gonna answer that in this video. And then the other question I get is how to keep it shiny and all the great ceramic properties over the lifetime of the coating, and I'm gonna answer that in another video, so stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I can either make a video or answer it for you right there. For this video, it's going to be really short and sweet. We're going to use Purist H1 Waterless Wash as a spray detailer, and then we're going to use an Autofiber Double Flip, which is designed for waterless and rinseless wash. I'm going to show you how to remove the contamination that you see right there. It's a little bit of a bird dropping. It's not a lot, but for demonstration purposes, it's enough. Okay, the first thing to note about H1 is it's not meant to be used on extremely dirty surfaces. So what we have here is a pretty dusty surface. I would almost argue that it's borderline too dirty, but for demonstration purposes, we got PPF on this car. I'm gonna show you how to remove this bird poop. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the waterless wash and we're gonna spray it directly onto the microfiber towel. In this case, we're gonna be using the Autofiber Double Flip. I'm gonna tell you why the Double Flip is great for this in just a bit. I'm gonna spray it directly onto the Double Flip. And then I'm gonna wipe it in a crosshatch pattern. Now, this is why the Double Flip is great. So the directions on H1 state we're going to use a clean microfiber to buff off anything remaining. Well, the great thing about the Double Flip is A, you can flip it over to the other side, of course, but it also flips inside and out, so as it gets dirty, you can easily flip it and have a nice clean side, and then we will buff off the remainder of the product. And as you can see, the bird poop is gone, and this is a great situation to use the H1. Now, we can use it for all kind of things, bug guts and more. So the one thing I want to caution though is you buy some Double Flips, make sure you wash them between uses. You know, they come in a pack of 3, so you can buy 3, always keep one in your car and rotate it through. What we don't want to do is we don't want to keep this in the car forever, and anytime there's a contamination, we're using the same towel and H1 to wipe it off, because if you can see on camera, it's very slightly dirty. It's not super dirty, but it will scratch your car over time if we let this sit in the back, and we always use the same towel. Okay, so here's another example. We got some bug splatter here. So again, I'm gonna spray it in the microfiber towel, and I'm gonna clean this off. This is also PPF, the bottom half of this mirror. We're gonna clean this off, buff it with the other side. And if you get a really stubborn bug gut, you could always use the Purist bug spray. And then of course, if you're ceramic coated, it should be pretty easy to get those bug guts off. You shouldn't have to scrub too hard. So clean sides, bam, bug guts are off. That's a big question that people ask. Okay, you probably thought this was gonna be some long-winded, complicated explanation, but it's really that simple. We're gonna spray Purist H1 directly onto our Double Flip towel. We're gonna wipe it on in a crosshatch motion, remove the contamination, then we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna buff off the remainder, and it's really that easy. Don't use it on a super dirty vehicle. Try not to do it in direct sunlight, but this is a great situation to use something like this in between washes if you have that bird poop, those bug guts and more. Let me know in the comments what you think, and let me know if you have any further questions you want me to answer on a video just for you.